Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at a contactor, understanding and identifying the capacity of a contactor. There are basically different kinds of contactor depending on the company and the ratings too. This is Schneider products. Now, a contactor of different types, like I said before. Contactor is basically like a switch. It allows the flow of current from one end to the other end, and this is a three-phase contactor powered by single phase. There are others you powered by double phase. Now, you need to look closely for the rating of the contactor. First, you must be able to determine the capacity of the machine you want to power using a contactor before you can go for your contactor, not to damage those devices. Now, this is a single phase contactor powered by single phase. If you look closely, it is normally inscripted here 240 to 30 volts 50S. So you need a single phase to energize this contactor to be able to allow your current flows through from one end to the other end. Now, what's the capacity of this contactor? If you look closely, you see LC1D25. It's simply telling you that the allowed amps for this contactor is 25 amps. So if what you are powering goes beyond 25, it is not advisable use this contactor. Go for a bigger contactor, bigger size or capacity contactor. Now, written on it, you have your A1, A2, normally close, normally open. Normally close 21, normally close 22 out. Normally open 13 in, normally open 14 out. What does it mean? I'll try to be as simple as I can. Now, A1 and A2 is where you impute your source, your live and your neutral. Why normally close? What it simply means is that on the default state of this contactor, if you feed a live wire here, you get a feedback here. It is normally closed. But when this contactor is energized, reverse becomes the case. If you feed a live wire, you don't get a feedback here. And for normally open, the same thing but reverse. Normally open, what it means is that when you feed a live wire here, you don't get a feedback here. But when the contactor is energized, when you feed a live wire, you get a feedback here. So remember, it is basically like a switch. Depending on what you want to use it for, it can actually serve different purposes. Thank you. See you on our next video. God bless you.